Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the PS5 controller stick drift, how to just basically fix it and make it go away. And let's get started. So the first thing that you guys can do is you want to just basically like turn the the analog stick like upwards, and you want to just keep blowing into the crevices. So you want to do it upwards once, blow into that crevice on the bottom, then do it to the left, and then blow the crevice on the right. And then the same thing for all sides basically. And what that basically does is that it just gets out all the dust that might be stuck under the crevices, and you want to just do that for both sides. Now once you're done with that, you should already see some change. Now the other thing that you guys can do is you want to again push it upwards, and with your other finger you want to like push down on this part right here. You want to just push down, not too hard. You don't want to like break your controller or anything, just want to push down a little bit. And you want to basically again do that for all sides. Now once you're done with that on both sides, left and right, and you've done it for each angle, what you want to do next is you want to just turn your controller clockwise for about 30 seconds. You just want to turn it clockwise for about 30 seconds, and when you're done, do it counterclockwise 30 seconds. And when you're done with both sides, you guys should be good to go. You can always do stuff like, completely removing the analog stick or adding those attachments. I forgot what they're called, but like those attachments that you can add to the controller. You can also add those, or you can just simply remove the analog stick in itself. And I highly recommend just also you can just press down on your controller as well, like you would normally would, just like hitting L3 for both sides as well, like about 30 times. And once you're done with all of that, you guys should be good to go. And that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.